How you doing today? This is Nate again, showing you how to change a MacBook Air battery, and this is for the MacBook Pro also. For the new 2017 model, they have changed the screws, so they use torch screws now. So you have to get a P5 screwdriver. You can find those at Target. Out here in California, they have a place called Fry's. I had to get a little kit because they didn't carry just the screwdriver, so it comes in a kit. But once again, it's a P5. What you do is you just unscrew all screws here. It's about 8 of them, 9 of them. Now there is other videos out there that show you how to do this, but they're like dated back to 2011. Apple has changed quite a bit from the tools and stuff they use. So what happened was, if you ever spill like water, beer, drink, whatever drink you're drinking, and you ever spill something in your MacBook, don't panic, just hurry up and turn it over and try to unscrew the back off. And then there's about 6 screws on the battery also. The battery's right here. This is the battery. And then this is the new battery. I had to actually find it online at Amazon. Now Apple, they don't just sell the battery. They'll put it in. They don't like to just sell them, and if it's wet on the inside, they won't change it because they just won't change the battery. Even if it's just the battery that's messed up, they will say that it's probably going to mess up the whole computer eventually, so they don't want to just change the battery. So it just, once you take the battery off, or once you unplug the battery, you just pull this little plastic piece and it comes straight out. Put the new one in. Let's see. Yeah, I'm done now. I'm done with the video. Oh, there it goes. It came on. And that's how you change. Do I need to put it like back together? So the new battery worked fine, and that's how you change a battery on a MacBook. Have a good day.